Let's take a look at this Dinosaur Egg Galaxy Star Projector. I know this may be intended for small children, but I am an adult and I purchased this for myself to use as a relaxation tool when I soak in the bathtub, which you can see on the left-hand side. I'm going to show you what it looks like in my bathroom, but this is the egg, and I do have to say I was a little surprised that it came with the red and blue stripes on it, but I didn't really care that it had those colors. I just wasn't expecting that from the picture. This light is really awesome. It comes with a remote control that can do a bunch of things. It can change the light between a variety of different colors. And there's two lights. There's like the nebulae swirling light, and then there's the pointed green star point light. Those can be controlled independently or together. You can put this on a bunch of different modes so that it rotates between different lights, or you can set it on a single light color. It's really pretty versatile. It also has a timer so that you can set it to go off after a certain number of hours if you want to like go to sleep with it, and then it will automatically shut off. And it can also serve as a night light because it lights up when it has the lid on. The other awesome thing that it does is you can pair it Bluetooth with your phone and play music through it. It's a speaker, and then the lights actually can synchronize to the beat of your music. In summary, this light exceeded all of my expectations, and I'm very pleased with it.